G'day, Alistair Christie here from LearnDelphi.tv. I think I have found a bug in Delphi 10.4.2. We create a new VCL application, and I'll just throw a label on. And let's do an on-click event. So nice and simple. And then, well, label one's not a very good name for that control, so we call it LDL message and change the caption to show message, and we go to run it, and we get this error. So the on-click doesn't exist. And we go, okay, remove the reference, and click, 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 nothing happens. Because if we look at, well, we can look at the events, it's the on-click has been removed. If I double click on that, it creates a new LBL message click, but it didn't rename the label one click, and I don't know why. So that's an odd, I've just noticed it making the previous video on tcontrol list. So I'm not sure if this is something I've installed incorrectly on my machine, but I will be retesting this out again. I think probably not going to be the first person to report this bug, but I am going to have a go and see if it's in the quality.marketerror.com. So I'm Alistair Christie. I hope this making this aware of this issue will save you some headaches going forward. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair Christie.